ब्रह्मनाथ ओम ओम शांति शांति शांति। Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Today I am going to discuss the multiple angle formula and some related problems. But before this, I want to remind you the compound angle formula, that is sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Answer is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sin A minus B? Answer is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is cos A plus B? Answer is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos A minus B? Answer is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is tan A plus B? Answer is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. What is tan of A plus cot of A plus B? Answer is cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. What is cot of A minus B? The answer is cot of A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus 1. And these are the compound angle formula. Okay, and some other compound angle formula, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B equal to 2 sin A into cos B, etc. We have to remember that formula. Okay, now what is one multiple angle formula? 2A formula, 2A formula, 2A formula, 2A formula, 2A formula, sin 2A. Number 1, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Another formula for sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. This is sin 2A formula. And number 2 is what? Cos 2A formula. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A is equal to another formula 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. And this is number 2 formula. Then tan 2A, 3. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. This is 3. And 4 is equal to cot 2A is equal to cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. 2 cot A. This is tan 2A equal to tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Cot 2A equal to cot square A minus 1 by 2 cot A. These are the 4 formula of sin of 2A. And now how to prove the formula? I will do only one and you follow in this way. Okay, sin 2A. Suppose sin 2A. I will do one proof, that is sin 2A. Sin 2A. Proof of sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. I will do this only and you follow the same concept. Now left hand side sin 2A, that is equal to, we can write sin A plus A. This is sin A plus B formula. So sin A into what? Cos A means plus cos A into sin B means sin, here B equal to A. So this is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Again 2 sin A into cos A. 2 sin A into cos A. For this proof tan is required, so this is sin. So 2 sin A divided by cos A, and also here 1 cos present, this is cos square A. So what is this? This is equal to 2 tan A, and this is cos square A, means 1 by sec square A. So what is sec square formula? Sec square equal to 1 plus tan square A. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. For other formula, we prove similarly applying this method. Okay. Then formula. Other formula, A in terms of 2A. 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 Okay. 2 sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A. From this we will get sin A or sin square A is equal to 1 minus what? Cos 2A, or sin A is equal to, this is by 2 here, root over 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Here plus or minus sin A equal to plus or minus sin. The plus sign and minus sign can be decided according to AST's rule. The appropriate sign, or the plus sign or minus sign, the plus sign or minus sign can be decided by ASTC rule. If A lies in first quadrant and second quadrant, then it is positive. For other quadrants, it is negative. This is sin A formula in terms of 2A. Now another formula. 2 cos square A is equal to 2 cos square A is equal to 2 cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A. So cos square is equal to what? Cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. That implies cos A is equal to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2A by 2. The plus sign or minus sign is according to the plus sign and minus sign. The plus sign or minus sign is according to ASTC rule. If A lies in first quadrant or fourth quadrant, then it is positive. If A lies in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, then it is positive, and for other quadrants it is negative. Okay. Then tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Square root of, this is square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. This is another formula. And cot A is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 1 minus sin A. 1 minus cos 2a. This is for cot A formula in terms of 2a. Okay, then 3a formula. 3a formula. 3a formula. 3a formula. Sin 3a. Sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA cos 3a is equal to 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan A minus tan QA divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Cot 3a is equal to cot QA minus 3 cot A divided by 3 cot square A minus 1. Okay, and these are the 3 formula in multiple of 3a, that is 3a formula. How to prove this formula? This can be proved. From this I will do one proof. Suppose sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to sin 3a proof. Sin 3a is equal to sin 2a plus a, which is equal to sin a plus b. Sin 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into sin b means here a. So this is equal to sin 2a formula 2 sin a into cos a into cos a. What is cos 2a formula in terms of? Cos 2a formula in terms of sin. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. Now this is equal to what? 2 sin a into cos square a. This is plus sin a minus 2 sin qa, and this is equal to 2 sin a, and this is equal to what? Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin q a. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2 sin a minus 2 sin qa plus sin a minus 2 sin qa. This is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. This is formula for sin 3a. Formula for sin 3a. Similarly, we can prove other formula by applying 3a is equal to 2a plus a. Now another formula from sin 3a. Sin 3a means what? Note sin, we know sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. From this we get 4 sin qa is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a, or sin qa is equal to 3 sin A minus sin 3A divided by 4. This is another formula. Similarly for cos 3A, from cos 3A, similarly cos QA is equal to 3 cos A plus cos 3A divided by 4. This is another formula. Okay, then important formula, three important formula, that is sin A, three important formula, three important formulae. First one is sin A sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3A. Now we have to prove this. This is equal to what? Now left hand side. What is left hand side? Sin A sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A. Apply this portion to sin A minus B into sin A plus B. What is your formula from previous knowledge? Sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to, this is formula. Which formula? This is sin square A minus sin square B. Now apply this formula to this. Apply this formula. This is equal to sin A sin square, here A equal to 60, B equal to A, so sin square 60 minus sin square A, which is equal to what? Sin A sin 60 means what? Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square A. This is equal to sin A 3 by 4 minus sin square A. Okay, and this is equal to sin A, and this is equal to sin A. LCM 4, 3 minus 4 sin square A, and multiply the sin A. This is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA divided by 4. We can write 1 by 4. This is formula of dash, means formula of sin 3A. RHS, hence proved. Similarly, prove another formula. Cos A similarly another formula. Number 2, cos A cos 60 degree minus A cos 60 degree plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now left hand side, cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 degree plus A. This is formula for what is cos square A minus cos square B. This factor is formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B into cos A minus B. This is formula for cos square A minus sin square B. So apply this formula here. This is equal to what? Cos square A minus sin square B. So this is equal to cos A cos square 60 minus sin square A, and this is equal to cos A cos 60 means 1 by 2 whole square minus sin square A. This is equal to cos A and 1 by 4 minus sin square A, which is equal to cos A 1 minus 4 sin square A divided by 4, which is equal to here, which is equal to cos A 1 minus 4 into 1 minus cos square A. This is cos square A divided by 4. So 1 by 4 we can write. This is equal to cos A 1 minus 4 plus 4 cos square A. This is equal to 1 by 4, and cos A, this is 4 cos square A, this is 4 cos square A minus 3, 1 by 4 into 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. This is formula for cos 3A, 1 by 4 cos 3A, 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now another formula, tan of tan formula, tan third number, this is tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A. This can be proved by converting sin versus cos. Now some related problem of 3 important formula. Find the value of question number 1. Find the value of sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 60 degree into sin 80 degree. Find the value. This can be now answer sin 20 into sin 40 degree into sin 60 degree into sin 80 degree. We know sin 60 value, so put sin 60 is equal to what? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 into sin 20, and this is sin 40 means sin 60 degree minus 20, and this is equal to sin 60 degree plus 20. This formula is like sin A sin 60 minus A sin 60 plus A. This is formula for 1 by 4 sin 3A, root 3 by 2, and this is formula for 1 by 4 into sin 3 into A, 3 into 20, that is equal to root 3 by 8 sin 60. So sin 60 value, that is root 3 by 8 sin 60 value of sin 60 degree, what? Root 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 16 answer. Now another question. Find question number, this is 1, and question number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of, this is cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. Same process. So answer is what? Cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. We know cos 60 is equal to what? 1 by 2 this is cos 20 degree, and this is cos 60 minus 20 degree, and this is cos 60 plus 20 degree. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Here a is equal to 20. 3 into 20. This is equal to 1 by 8 into cos 60. Cos 60 value half. 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 16 answer. Now another question number 3. Question number 3. Find the value of tan 6 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 63 degree into tan 78 degree. Okay, then the answer is what? Tan 6 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 78 degree. Here tan 6 present, and here tan 60 plus 6 present. What is required? What is need here? It is tan 60 minus 6 required here. Okay, so divide by tan 60 minus 6. So this is written here and this is written here. So remaining two terms, tan 42 degree into tan 78. What is this for this formula? Tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A formula. Tan 3 into 6, which is equal into tan 42 into tan 78 divided by tan 54. So this is equal to what? This is equal to tan 18 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 78 degree by tan 54. Okay, this is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write tan 18 degree tan 60 minus 18 degree into tan 60 degree plus 18 degree divided by tan 54 degree. Again this is equal to tan A, tan 60 minus A, tan 3A formula. This is tan 3A. Okay, tan 3 into 18 degree by tan 54 degree. This is equal to what? This is equal to tan 54 degree by tan 54 degree, which is equal to what? 1. These are the 3 problems related to the 3 important formula. Thank you. Have a nice day.